How's it going, boys? In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Phoenix. Full disclosure, the Phoenix did send out this device for me for free. However, they did not have any say in this video. They are not sponsoring this video and they are not paying me to make this video. However, they did give me a link that would give my subscribers $85 discount when purchasing the Phoenix. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check out the link in the description or simply use code BASIM at checkout. So there are a few points that I would like to cover in this video. First of all, what is the Phoenix? Secondly, what is shockwave therapy and how it works? Thirdly, how to use the Phoenix. So what is the procedure like? And fourth is my results after using the Phoenix for around a couple of weeks. So first of all, what is the Phoenix? The Phoenix is a device that you can use at home to create shock waves that will treat your penis. So it's a treatment to treat erectile dysfunction or reverse your aging. So a lot of guys with time start experiencing erection decline. And what the Phoenix does is it basically allows you to treat that or even to prevent that from happening in the future. So first of all, shockwave therapy is not something new. It has been used medically for many years. It has been used to treat kidney stones, to treat problems with joints and problems with muscles. And it also has been used for many years to treat erectile dysfunction. However, you had to visit the doctor and get the treatment done at the clinic, which usually costs around $500 per treatment. Keep in mind, you're gonna need between 6 to 8 treatments for you to see significant results. Now that's a big plus with the Phoenix because it costs around $800, especially if you use the discount code in the description, and it allows you to do all the treatments at the comfort of your home without ever having to visit the doctor, without prescriptions or anything. You do, however, need to go through the questionnaire on their website to determine if the Phoenix is the right device for you. So what is shockwave therapy and how does it treat your erection? How does it make your erection stronger? Quick disclaimer, I am not a doctor, so I just did the research the same way you would do it. And what I understood is with aging, when you are getting older, the blood vessels are not that strong anymore in your penis. And also the corpora cavernosa is not expanding as it's supposed to. Now, when you treat your penis with shockwave therapy, what it does is it basically pulsates shockwaves, acoustic waves into your penis, enhancing the blood flow in your penis by recovering the blood vessels and the corpora cavernosa, which basically holds the blood in your penis. And surprisingly, the success rate of such therapy is really high. So it's around 90% success rate. Now, granted, you are not going to see results from just doing one treatment. Usually people need between 6 to 8 treatments before they can see significant results. However, the results you see after 6 and 8 treatments are very significant. So the results are not going in a linear way. So maybe you're gonna do 2 or 3 treatments, you're not gonna see much results, but after you do treatment number 6 or 8, that's when you're gonna see amazing results. And fortunately for you, you don't have to spend so much time to get to 8 treatments. So you can do 2 treatments per week, which means that you can do basically 8 treatments in a month. Now, let me explain to you exactly how to use the Phoenix because it's pretty simple and straightforward. So first of all, the Phoenix does not have battery in it. So you have to plug it to the AC in order for you to use it. However, it comes with a pretty long cable and it's pretty convenient to use. And the reason for that is to create shock waves, you are going to need a lot of energy. And as I understood, putting a battery in such a small form factor is going to be very challenging. Now, the Phoenix is pretty simple to use. All you have to do is turn it on. Once you turn it on, you're going to be presented with 2 sets of lights. So there's going to be lights in the middle on the circle, and there are going to be progress lights here on the side. On the right and on the left is going to be the same lights. Now, the light on the circle indicates which part of your penis you need to start the treatment on. So when you first turn on the Phoenix, you're going to have a green light right here at the top, which will indicate that you have to do the treatment on the top part of your penis. Now, the lights on the side will indicate which part of your penis you should be working on. So if all the lights are turned on, that means you have to be working at the base. Now, if you reach to the middle, half the lights are turned on, you should be at the middle of your penis, and if almost no lights are turned on, that means you should be at the end or near the head of your penis. Before you start the treatment, it's recommended that you use the included lube. So the package comes with around 6 small packs of lube that you can use in order for you to make the treatment a little bit more pleasant. So the purpose of the lube is to make the device slide easier on your penis and to protect your penis from getting scratched by the metal on the device. So the way you use it is basically every time you have a green light on one part here, you have to do that part. After you finish the treatment on the upper part, for example, another green light is gonna turn right here, and that's gonna indicate that you are gonna work on the top right part of your penis. And once you finish every part, the light is gonna turn from green into red, indicating that you finished that part of your penis. And you are going to repeat the process for every green light that turns on. So you have basically 5 different lights, and you have to work on 5 different parts of your penis. So first of all, the upper side, then top right, top left, bottom right, and bottom left. And you have to treat those parts twice, and that would conclude one treatment. So the whole treatment takes around 17 minutes. I already did the treatment on myself and I posted the video on my OnlyFans. If you want to see it in action, make sure to check out the link in my description. Now, at the time of shooting this video, I've already had the Phoenix for around a month. So I managed to do around 6 treatments. And I can definitely tell you that the results that the Phoenix gives you are amazing. So what are the results that I've gotten and what are the results you can expect? I gotta tell you, for me personally, there are some days that I basically have weaker than usual erection. I'm sure a lot of you guys have experienced this, and what that does is it basically gives you a softer erection, and what a softer erection does is it basically makes your penis look a little bit smaller and a little bit weaker. So what the Phoenix does is it basically brings your erections to how they used to be when you were 18 years old or 17 years old. I'm sure you remember those rock hard erections when you were a teenager. So this is what the device gives you. At least those are the results that I have experienced after using the device. Now, some might confuse the results that you get from the Phoenix as if you are getting thicker, but you're actually not getting thicker. You're basically getting your penis to its potential. So all it's doing is it's treating your erections. It's basically getting them back to how they used to be when you were younger. So you're not actually getting thicker, even though in practice you might get thicker erections, but that's because your erections are thicker. You are not actually getting a thicker penis. Regardless, the result is the same. So at the end of the day, you're actually getting thicker erections because you are having a healthier erection. I'm personally probably gonna keep using it, maybe not as frequently because you really cannot use it more than 8 or 10 times, but I wanna keep using it maybe once a month or something like that just to keep my erection healthy. And anyway, that concludes my review of the Phoenix. If you guys liked it, make sure to leave it a thumbs up. And anyways, I'm probably gonna review other devices that produce shockwave therapy for your penis. So if you're into that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on those videos in the future. And anyways, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye-bye.